So another take on Meghan Markle's viral one-pot pasta craze. Shrimp with bow tie pasta in one pot, nothing else to clean up. So, let's start with ingredients that will add to the liquid the pasta will be cooking in. Grape tomatoes, spinach, onion flakes, garlic flakes. Cut up 8 ounces of tomatoes into halves. Some oil into the pan. And saute up a tablespoon of onion flakes. And a tablespoon of garlic flakes for a minute. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. And the cut up tomato. And let that saute to soften the tomato skin. Add a cup of chicken broth and get that boiling. Add 1 cup of pasta. I like bow ties because they're just bite size. Substitute your favorite pasta if you wish. Add more broth so the pasta is completely covered. And let that boil for about 8 minutes. The pasta will cook more when other ingredients are added. Stir from time to time. While that's cooking, cut 4 ounces, about a handful, of spinach leaves into medium-sized pieces. Cut up 5 or 6 fresh basil leaves. When the pasta is almost done, add the cut spinach to the pot. Let that boil for a minute. Add 8 ounces of peeled shrimp. These were already peeled and cleaned frozen shrimp. Make sure they're covered with the liquid so they cook properly. Add more broth if needed, and let that cook for another 2 minutes. I'm using unsalted broth, so add a bit of salt. The shrimp are turning a nice pink. Check the pasta is done to your liking. Add a half a cup of cream. Stir well. Let that simmer for a minute. Add the cut basil to the pot. Add a third cup of grated Parmesan cheese. I'm using grocery store Parmesan. Substitute fresh grated if you wish. Another minute to melt the cheese and thicken. That looks wonderful. Serve. Garnish with more cut up basil. Enjoy! There you have it. Shrimp and bow tie pasta, all at the same time. Wonderful.